Hey, what's up everybody? Steve with the Penguin Outdoors YouTube channel, and it is early, guys. We're going kayak fishing with Christian, and we are not up this early. Like, it's like 4:15, and I'm already getting ready in a few minutes here to roll out to the lake, and it's not even that far away. And we're not up this early because of the early bite, even though the early bite is on. We're up this early because it's Memorial Day, and we're trying to beat all the Googans to the lake, because even though we're going to one of the small lakes, it's going to be a nut house. So we're going to get over to the lake, and then we'll talk some more. So stay tuned. I spent 5 minutes just now talking to this camera and it wasn't recording. So the GoPros have a massive problem when you hit the on record button of turning on and not recording. My DJIs are much more reliable, but it happens every now and then. It's early, so I didn't notice that the light wasn't blinking until I told it to stop recording, and I was like, son of a bitch, I've been talking for 5 minutes. So anyway, we made it to the lake, and this is my favorite part of the day because there's nobody here. I'll be the first person to tell you that people that say things like, that's my fishing spot, or that's my lake, or they just sound dumb, okay? If you're one of those people, just don't do it anymore. You sound like an idiot. But I will say that I love an empty boat ramp. Whether I'm coming or I'm going, I love it when I don't have people stacking up behind me. I don't have to feel pressured. I don't have to feel rushed. I can just be here before everybody else. This is wonderful. When my alarm goes off in the morning, I'm like, I don't want to do it. This makes it all worth it. Look at this. Y'all, God is good. This is what life's about right here. Does it get any better than this? So anyway, it's 5 a.m. Christian's working on picking up his brother, and then he's going to meet us. And then I think as soon as we get a little more light here, I may launch before Christian gets here, just because I've got a rematch scheduled with that fish I missed when I didn't have my net, because she was a biggin, and she was on bed, and I know exactly where her bed is, and I am hoping I can get her to slobber again. So see what we can do. Let's get on the water. You guys listen to me talk long enough. Let's get a little action going, all right? Let's go. What are you doing? That's where you think you need to be spot locked. Different boat, same ass hat. You ain't what I'm after. Think you wanted it? Man, you're warm, bro. That water's 76 degrees. He feels every bit of it. There you go. guys. Another one in the boat. There you go, little dude. Look at that fat little dude. What's up, guys? That's a little chunker.
Yeah, he just caught one too on that corner. We throwing?
Jig right now. It's been the big thing out here lately. Jig and Texas rig. They're all up on beds, having a good old time.
You got live scope in there?
No. Little guy. Tasty, aren't you? He had it good. Here you go, guys. Back in there. I'm snagged up, but first I gotta undo this clip because this thing rattling against the camera pole is gonna make me mental. Now you might be thinking to yourself, Steve, what are you throwing? Because you didn't show us. And you're right, I did, and I forgot. This is a Mishin Fishin 3/8 black and blue swim jig. These are my homemade bandito bugs. And the one that I'm using mimics the green pumpkin purple thing that they got. Pretty darn close match, if I do say so myself. What up?
What up, guy?
Is it getting busy up there? Yeah. I've been straight hammering them. I've been hammering them. Texas? Christian's got one on the Texas rig. I mean, I'm a power fish this chatterbait over these beds just to piss them off and try to get a reaction, but yeah, anybody who's fishing fast right now is a fool. Man, I tell you what, when you're ready to move, straight across working that bank into that finger might be a good idea. Yeah, I wore the fish on the dam out. I couldn't even get a nibble. Like, to be fair, I rolled in there first thing and just like lit it up. So I'm not surprised that it cooled off. Well, and I got to thinking about it. I'm like, man, the sun was getting a little up there when I got a shot at her last time. So I might circle back around to that towards the end of my day. I'm gonna jet across. I think I done wore this spot out.
Take him up and around you a little bit.
All right. Dude, I haven't had a hit pretty much since you got here. Oh, nope, that's a tree. I was talking to you and I let it drop a little far and found the brush pile.
I caught a fish out of that tree.
Oh, dude, I caught my like 20 something out of there. I said I'm gonna go in a minute here. I'm gonna go around to that junk pile.
I was gonna say I don't know if they're up this far or not. But...
Well, I found that 20 up shallow over there.
Oh.
There we go. I don't know. Probably not. Decent. Ah, you bastard. That's why we don't try to net them on the left side of the boat. Damn it. Oh, I hate when they're on this side. I really need to get a double header for the net. Big old mess you're trying to make. There you go, guys. Not the prettiest catch. Knew he was there though. Missed him the first time. There you go. Don't be these guys. This is a no-wake fishing only lake. No swimming. Just over there acting like a bunch of idiots. I had to get away from those morons. I'm gonna end up thumping somebody today.
I'm gonna come up there and then have you say everything like that around here is just dumb. Do what?
I think they think it's Mark Twain Lake or something. Well, they're back there, they're swimming, they're kicking up the rooster tails, they're trying to run each other over, acting like a bunch of fucking idiots.
Back here?
Yeah, that boat on the flat was on the flat right there.
Awesome.
Dude, I had to get away from them. I can't take it.
It's just straight ignorance. Yeah.
Like, it was either leave or say something, and if I say something, I end up fighting somebody.
Yeah, he'll end up getting in a fight.
Yeah, because they're like drunk already or
Oh,
something.
great.
They're either drunk or really stupid. They can't be that dumb sober. What an interesting day, guys. I was tearing them up early this morning. And now, nothing. But I mean, there is just a ton of boat pressure here. And even aside from the boat pressure, you got those numbskulls in the back, you know, screaming and hollering and swimming and all kinds of other crap they ain't supposed to be doing here. So, I don't know. They've got to go soon, and I'm pretty well over it. So, we're going to wrap this video up fishing-wise over the next couple of minutes, and then I'll wrap it up back at the ramp. So, maybe we can get into one more before we call it a day. Let's see. Alright guys, well, it's been a lot of fun. It's nice getting out with Christian more than once in a week. He doesn't always get time like that, so that's pretty cool. And his brother Micah was with us today. Don't know if I mentioned that or not, but yeah, it's a good time out on the water with some friends. Except for them nudniks, but I'm not even going to talk about them anymore. It is what it is. I'm going to try and just let that go. But don't forget to hit that like button. Leave me some comments down below, good or bad. I love my haters just as much as I love my supporters. Y'all ain't hurting me with your negativity. You're only hurting yourselves. But I love to see it because you know it's good for the YouTube metrics. So if you want to hate on me, that's awesome. I'm still going to tell you to have a good day. YouTube loves that shit. So definitely hit the like button. Drop a comment down below. Mash that subscribe button. Check out my other videos. You know the drill. We'll catch you next time. Tight lines, guys.